A clean toilet tank is essential for a fresh-smelling, smoothly running bathroom. You can easily remove stains, odors, and mineral buildup using natural ingredients. Here are tips to clean your toilet tank naturally and effectively. Citric acid is a natural, eco-friendly solution for cleaning your toilet tank. It effectively dissolves limescale, mineral deposits, and stubborn stains without harsh chemicals. To clean the toilet tank, start by turning off the water. Locate the shut-off valve behind the toilet and turn it clockwise to stop the flow, then flush the toilet to drain most of the water from the tank. After draining most of the water, pour a bucket of warm water into the toilet tank. Add 1 cup of citric acid and stir it with a stick to help it dissolve. Let the mixture sit for about an hour to loosen limescale and mineral buildup. Once the time is up, flush the tank to rinse away the solution. Finally, turn the water supply back on, let the tank fill, and flush again. This natural method effectively cleans your toilet tank and removes stubborn deposits. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural and safe way to clean your toilet tank effectively. It acts as a powerful disinfectant, helping to eliminate bacteria and mildew while breaking down stains and odors. Start by turning off the water supply to your toilet and flushing to drain most of the tank. Fill the tank with warm water, then spray hydrogen peroxide generously on the inside surfaces. Use a toothbrush or small brush to scrub the sides, corners, and any buildup, paying special attention to mineral deposits or mold. Let the solution sit for 30 to 60 minutes to disinfect and break down stains. This natural method effectively cleans and disinfects your toilet tank, leaving it fresh, hygienic, and free from harsh chemicals. White vinegar is a natural and effective way to clean your toilet tank. Its acidic properties help dissolve limescale, mineral deposits, and stubborn stains while also eliminating odors and bacteria. Pour about 2 cups of white vinegar into the tank, then sprinkle 1 cup of baking soda over the surfaces. The mixture will fizz, helping to break down mineral deposits, stains, and odors. Use a brush or old toothbrush to scrub the sides, corners, and any buildup thoroughly. Let the solution sit for 30 to 60 minutes for deep cleaning. This natural method effectively cleans your toilet tank, removes limescale, and keeps it fresh without harsh chemicals. A toilet tank cleaner is a solution designed to remove buildup, stains, mold, and bacteria from the inside of your toilet tank. Its powerful formula effectively cleans surfaces, eliminates stains, and leaves a long-lasting fresh lemon fragrance. It not only helps maintain a hygienic bathroom environment, but also simplifies regular cleaning by combining disinfecting, deodorizing, and cleaning in one easy-to-use product. Regular maintenance not only prevents limescale, stains, and odors, but also ensures your toilet functions efficiently for years to come.